Did you know that you may completely transform your body without stepping foot in a gym or lifting a single weight? It's true. Your own body is the most powerful tool you'll ever need to build strength, burn fat, and improve your fitness. From improving heart health to boosting your energy, these simple exercises may deliver results no fancy equipment required. In this video, we'll show you 10 incredible exercises that you may do at home, in the park, or even in your living room. Each one is designed to target specific muscle groups, help you build strength, and improve your flexibility and balance. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health concerns or injuries. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll also share practical tips and tricks to exercise safely at home while getting the best results. Let's dive in and discover how to achieve your fitness goals without equipment. 1. Push-ups. Exercising without equipment, like doing push-ups daily, may bring remarkable transformations to your body through a series of physiological and anatomical changes that work synergistically to improve strength, endurance, and overall fitness. When you perform a push-up, your body is effectively lifting 64% of its weight. This constant resistance activates key muscle groups such as the pectorals, chest, deltoids, shoulders, triceps, and even the core muscles like the rectus abdominis and obliques. Over time, these muscles adapt to the repeated stress by growing stronger and more defined. This phenomenon, called hypertrophy, is the process by which muscle fibers repair and rebuild stronger after being broken down during exercise. The repetitive nature of push-ups challenges your muscles to become more efficient in handling the load, leading to improved tone and muscular endurance. One of the most transformative aspects of push-ups is their ability to improve cardiovascular health when done with higher repetitions. Despite being primarily a strength exercise, push-ups demand coordination and oxygen delivery to sustain the activity. Over time, this builds cardiovascular endurance as your heart pumps more efficiently,